Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Get ready to dive into the world of maritime innovation. We're talking about a revolutionary vessel that's about to change the game, the Leviathan. Imagine a submarine. Now, imagine an aircraft carrier. Now, fuse them together. That's the Leviathan, part cutting-edge engineering marvel, part awe-inspiring feat of military might. This isn't just some sci-fi pipe dream. The Leviathan is a testament to how far we've come in naval technology. This beast is nuclear-powered, meaning it can stay submerged for months. It can cross entire oceans undetected, and it packs enough firepower to make even the most battle-hardened admiral weak in the knees. The Leviathan isn't just about brute force, though. It's about strategic dominance on an unprecedented scale. Imagine a vessel that can control the skies and the seas with equal ease. A vessel that can launch devastating strikes from the depths of the ocean only to vanish without a trace moments later. That's the promise of the Leviathan. Let's talk design. The Leviathan's twin-hulled structure is a masterpiece of engineering, combining stability and stealth in one sleek package. Think of a modern submarine with its smooth hydrodynamic lines. Now, imagine two of those hulls side by side, connected by a central platform. That's the basic blueprint of the Leviathan. This twin-hull design isn't just for show. Remember the old battleships from history books? Those behemoths had multiple hulls for extra buoyancy and damage resistance. The Leviathan takes this concept to the next level. Its twin hulls are designed to reduce drag and minimize its sonar signature. This means it can slip through the water with incredible agility, all while remaining practically invisible to enemy detection. But the real beauty of this design lies in its versatility. The space between the hulls is where the magic happens. This is where the Leviathan houses its retractable flight deck, its arsenal of ballistic missiles, and even its own complement of smaller submarines. Talk about a force multiplier. And let's not forget about the historical parallels. Remember the mighty warships of old, like the Japanese Ij and Yamato. Their multi-layered decks were designed to withstand incredible punishment. The Leviathan takes this principle and flips it on its head, using its twin hulls to create a protected space for its most valuable assets, its aircraft and missiles. Now, let's talk about the Leviathan's party trick, its retractable flight deck. Imagine this. The Leviathan is submerged, cruising silently beneath the waves. Then, with a hydraulic whir, a section of its dorsal hull slides open, revealing a full-fledged flight deck. Talk about a James Bond moment. This isn't just any flight deck. It's designed to accommodate a variety of aircraft, from stealth fighters to heavy-lift helicopters. Imagine squadrons of F-35s screaming off the deck, ready to engage enemy targets. Or picture V-22 Ospreys taking off and landing, ferrying troops and supplies to and from remote locations. The possibilities are truly mind-blowing. But how does the Leviathan launch and recover aircraft while submerged? That's where things get really clever. Remember those old catapult systems used on aircraft carriers? The Leviathan takes that concept and gives it a modern twist. It uses a combination of electromagnetic catapults and advanced drone recovery systems. This allows it to launch and recover aircraft with incredible speed and efficiency, all while remaining hidden beneath the waves. And let's not forget about the historical inspiration here. Think of the submarine aircraft carriers from World War II, like the Japanese I-400 class. These pioneering vessels demonstrated the potential for combining submarine stealth with aerial power. The Leviathan takes this concept to a whole new level, leveraging cutting-edge technology to create a truly formidable weapon system. But the Leviathan isn't just about air power. It also packs a serious punch below the waterline, thanks to its arsenal of ballistic missiles. These aren't your ordinary torpedoes. We're talking about hypersonic, nuclear-capable missiles that can strike targets thousands of miles away. Imagine the Leviathan lurking in the depths of the Pacific Ocean. With a thunderous roar, a volley of ballistic missiles erupts from its launch tubes, leaving a trail of fire and fury in their wake. These missiles can travel at incredible speeds, making them virtually impossible to intercept. And their payloads can level entire cities, making them a strategic deterrent of the highest order. The development of these missiles is a testament to ingenuity, driven by the pursuit of military advantage. Remember the Cold War, with its constant race to build bigger and better weapons? The Leviathan's ballistic missiles are a direct descendant of that era. They represent the pinnacle of missile technology, combining speed, stealth, and unimaginable destructive power. But it's not just about raw power. The Leviathan's missiles are also incredibly precise. They can be programmed to strike specific targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. This makes them a valuable tool for surgical strikes against high-value targets, such as enemy command centers, air bases, or even nuclear launch sites. Okay, now for the really cool part. Remember that interactive 3D model we talked about? That's where the Leviathan truly comes to life. This isn't just some static image. It's a fully realized virtual world where you can experience the Leviathan in all its glory. Imagine zooming in on the model, rotating it 360 degrees. You can practically feel the cold steel beneath your fingertips. You can explore the intricacies of the twin-hulled design, marvel at the complexity of the retractable flight deck, and trace the path of a ballistic missile from launch tube to target. But it's not just about visual fidelity. The model is also incredibly interactive. You can open hatches, deploy periscopes, and even launch virtual missiles. You can simulate different scenarios, like underwater maneuvers, aerial engagements, and even full-blown naval battles. And here's the best part, the model isn't just for show. It's a powerful tool for education, training, and even design. Engineers can use it to test new technologies, military planners can use it to simulate combat scenarios, and educators can use it to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. The possibilities are truly endless.